Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to open up terminal app in MacBook Sonama 14.4.1. So for my MacBook, my current version is MacBook Air M1 chip and also 2020 MacBook Air. So let's start. First of all, there are two ways. First, you can just type command space and search at the spotlight for terminal. So basically you can just open up terminal. So basically this is how you can open. And for others, you can just open for the launchpad and find for terminal. Okay. So yeah, basically that's all how you can find your terminal in MacBook. Thank you.